from CS Spoken Classes Telhara, and I want to tell somewhat information about the very crucial topic on the education. And firstly, you know that without the education we can't achieve our life, or we can't imagine our life. So firstly, I want to tell you about what is the meaning of education. You know that I am present here, you are here me just because of the education of English, just because of the education of our formal. We know that two types of education, the formal education and the informal education. Formal education is that which we can take from our school, college, and the informal education we can take from our society, from our friends, from our family. And according to me, that is very important part in our life, which we can take from our family, from our society, and from our friends. Because which type of their nature, which type of their behaviors, that type of personality we can build in our life. So the informal education is much more important than the formal education. And the two types of education I told that about the education. Education is the key of success according to the APJ Abdul Kalam. Because without the education, now this the era, we can't imagine us towards the successful path in our life. And success is not meaning that to earning a money, to achieving our goals. Success is that when we are sleeping in the night, and that's time we are satisfied from our life, whichever life we have, whichever work we can done in the whole day. When we are sleeping, that's time we are thinking about our success, about our life, and that's time we are sleeping very goodly, very satisfiedly. That is the education. And that is the benefit of education, that is the satisfaction from our education. Lot of students doing their study very good, and they want to be teachers, doctors, or engineer, and any other type of field which they are selecting in their life. But this is not enough of education. Education is a huge thing, and it's not about the formal education. It's about the informal, means whichever skill we have. Lot of skills in the students' life, like dancing, singing, any type of skill. If we are doing the work on that skill, so definitely we will be make a good person for our society, good person for our country. And as a student, according to me, our all type of efforts for our country, because our country giving us a lot of facilities. Our country, just because of our country, that's time we are here, we are giving a lot of, we are taking a lot of facilities like education, like health, any type of. So our every work should be done for our society, for our country. So we should do our every type of work by looking our country. And if we are living this type of thing, we are living this type of thing, so definitely we will be a good student, we will be a good person. And it's not the education is not about the marks, the examination. Education is about the life examination, because the examination, as in the syllabus there is in 1 year there is one examination, but in the life there is a day-to-day life we have to give the examination. And in those examination, what is our aim? This is important. What is the end of that education? The life education, the life examination. Life teach you a lot, the time teach you a lot, and whenever you learn, you are ready to learn from our life. So that's time you will be a good student. And it's not about the syllabus of education. We are reading a lot of books, but what we can take from those books, in those books lot of type of solution in our life. But somewhat students are just doing their study, they are learning just because of giving the examination. But it's not good, or it's not necessary for everyone student. We can learn it, we can achieve it, we can show that type of learning for someone, because education is not a limited part in our life. It's about to giving to others. So we should give that education to others. It will be helpful for others also, because they have also right to know the education. You know that in our country there are a lot of poorest part, means 30% of people are in the poor are in the poor generation. So that's time we have to give them, we have to build their education by our efforts. If we are capable to know them, the education rights, if we have rights to know the education, so we should give them. It will be helpful for those people, because without education we can't imagine our country will be developed. So we have to know the education, so we should give. This is the very good teaching of education which we can take. The lot of type of education like spiritual education, behavior education, psychology education, lot of type. So whichever you have interest you can take. I have a interest in spiritual, I have interest in psychology, then I can take from that somewhat things I know. I have a interest in neurology. So this type of education, if you have interest, so definitely you should do your best in your whichever you have interest. You know that there are a lot of parents who have their own dreams in their life, but they can't complete their dreams in their life. So what they do for their future, for their children, that they always giving their children that this is my dream, I can't complete it, but you should complete it. But this is, I think this is wrong. Your life, your decisions are different, your interests are different, but this is my life or this is the children's life, so their interests are different. So the parents know that, and if the parents can't understand that, so you should tell them, you should told them that this is not my interest, I have interest in another field, so you should do by your interest in your life. So this is give you a successful life. So those are my points. And as a good citizen, there we know that there are 5 needs of us, both are increasing, that the health and education. So we should focus on health and education like another needs of our life. You know that our means the older generation, somewhat people are educated but somewhat not, but they have interest in education, but just somewhat situation they can't get. Your grandparents, like the example is your grandparents. So if they have interest now this time also, so you can do for them somewhat things like giving them the education, hear their story of their life and wrote it, because you know that we can take a very good knowledge from their life, what type of life they lived in their life, and what type of education they can take from the life, not the formal education. So you know that there is a lot of benefits of education if you can take. So definitely you should take. As a student, according to me, you should learn from society, from your teachers, good behavior. Your soul will be a good behavioring to the another person. This is the education. Education is not like you are educated and you are successful and you can't give the respect to your parents also. So just because of our parents, our teacher, we can be like that. So we should respect them. That is the best means learning of education. So these are my point of view about the education. You know that, and your round will be the education. So you can learn something. You should add your own points in the education. And and this is my point of view about the education. If you like my talking, so please share, subscribe and like our channel. So thank you.